Gift basket designers are often afraid to use expensive or somewhat expensive floral picks or greenery in their baskets. But what I want you to do is take a look at this and see what a difference the picks make. Now these picks would cost about $3 a piece retail. If you buy them wholesale, they may be $1.50 or $2. But for $4, look what a difference it makes. The picks fill the basket and make this like a 7-minute marvel. You can make this in just minutes. Let me show you how to do it. This is a double stack basket. Actually, it's a box. It's going to use 2 different size boxes. It's going to stack up to almost 3 feet tall. To start this basket or this box gift, we have a wrapped box in the bottom, and this could be a mug, it could be a gift, or it could be an empty box. If it's an empty box, be sure and put a label on it that says empty discard. We've stuffed a little bit of paper on the other side to keep that very snug, and we've used a backboard. This could be a piece of heavy cardboard, it could be a piece of foam board, and of course what you'd really want to do is cover this in a nice foil and make it very nice looking. Now we're going to begin by taking this little gift, and we've pre-packed this to save time in the video. And again, it's just a little paper in the bottom, and we've got 2 bags of chocolate and a few mints here and a little bit of shred. Now on the back, I want you to see what we've done here, and we've got some of this red tape. You can see what we've already put a strip here, and we're going to pull that off. And with this red tape, if you ever have trouble pulling off, just get a little fingernail file, run it under the corner, it'll come right up. We're going to push this in, and what we will do here is push the backboard up against that sticky tape in the back. And that's going to help it be a little more stable. And I don't use any tape or any picks unless I have to, because my cellophane is going to hold that in. Now in the front here, we'll come around, and we're going to put just a little bit of shred here. And to finish out this side over here, we'll put in a beautiful box of tea biscuits. And in the back, we want to even out the height a little. So these are actually taper candles, and we've put them in a pretty bag that camouflages them, and the fact that their packaging might not have been as pretty as we had hoped when we first started shopping for things. Sometimes the packaging costs more than the product. And to completely finish this out, fill in any empty space, we'll take this one pick, put it right here in the center. Take our cellophane wrap, wrap it up the front, and finish off with an exact replica of the same pick and a bow. Really, this can be made in 7 minutes or less, and what an impressive gift for fall.